My birds room, and today I am going to show you the breeding progress of my birds. First we are seeing you the breeding progress of budgies, and in this only one baby has come out. Entering into another cage, and now I am showing this is the male and the female is sitting inside. Now entering into another cage, we have seen two beautiful budgie babies are here, and the mother is sitting inside and the father is outside. And now I am going to show you the breeding progress of my cocktail. The cocktail bird is very aggressive. Here we can see 4 eggs inside, and the male is also sitting inside. The female is here outside. Now entering into my Pearl and Lutino cocktails cage. Here we can see two beautiful babies inside the breeding box. Here are my two rosy lovebird pair and two Lutino in same cage. And here is my pair of cobalt offline and mob offline. You can see the birds are very active and healthy. Now going to show you the breeding progress of lovebird. The baby has grown bigger. This is the Lutino.